Hi, this is Dr. Mariti, and I just want to give you a brief overview of how things are set up in Blackboard for my MA 111 class. Let me move. There's my little picture. You can see me in the webcam there. So this is the view that you see when you come into Blackboard, and you've already clicked on the Start Here, Welcome to MA 111 tab here, because that's how you got to this video. And I hope that you've looked in there and you've completed or started working on reading everything that's there and getting on that orientation quiz, which will be due on August 23rd. But now, the other important thing that you need to make sure you do before class is to start our next unit. And so if you click on this unit and open it up, first let me just talk about how it's organized. If you look and see, oh, I just lost it. Put the arrow back down. Okay, let me slide down here. You'll see week one, week one, week one, week one. There they are. Week one, week one, week one, week one. This is all the stuff happening in the first week. So every week we have pre-class activities that are due by Wednesday, and these are the activities that will be due before our first class. Then we have our class meeting. Some information about the class meeting will be here. And then we have things that are due after class by Friday. And then we have homework and something called MyLabs Map that's due by Sunday. So every week is arranged this way. Like if you see week 2 here, what do you see? Pre-class activities, class meeting, post-class, and MLN homework. But let me focus on what you must do by Wednesday, because if you do this late, you're not going to get any credit for it. And you need to do it so that you'll be ready for class. So before our next class, you need to complete these week 1 pre-class activities. You see, it says due by Wednesday, 12 noon. And click on the arrow. Let's see what's there. There are, wow, 8 little things to do here, but they really are little. Some of them are just things that you're going to read to get some information. Some of them have due dates, so they'll have a little quiz that you'll have to do. You can redo the quiz about 5 times to improve your grade. Some are things to read. Watch out for those that have due dates, because that's something you have to submit online. But you should complete 1, 2, 3. Let me see how they're 4, 5, 6, 7, all 8 of these before our class on Wednesday, our first class. So, of course, feel free to contact me if you have any questions about anything. And of course, read all the information that I've provided so far. Not all the information about the course is open up yet in Blackboard because I didn't want to overwhelm you. I am looking forward to seeing all of you on Wednesday. I can't wait to get back to teaching for this semester. Okay, bye-bye.